Hello guys, I'm back. So welcome to my YouTube channel Digital Dojo. So today I'm going to teach you about class level modifiers. So I'm trying to feed you a more knowledge about these things. So when I say the word modifier, so how do you feel like modifiers? Modifiers means something like a very changeable thing, right? So modifiers in Java modifiers, it describes the behavior of the classes. Okay, it simply says whether these classes are accessible from outside or not, like means anywhere or not. So how you can specify is by using some keywords. There are some keywords like for an example public, abstract, final. So with the use of those keywords, you can specify of this classes, qualities, classes, features, and all the things. So if I talking about this public keyword, if the class is public, then you can access it from anywhere, which means within this package, outside from this package, anywhere you can access it from anywhere. Keep it in mind. So how you can specify is by using this public keyword. Okay, so if the class is not public, simply it says it's a default class. Default. So where you can able to access it? The default class only within the package. Okay, public class we can access it from anywhere. So the default class you can access it from within the package, only within the package. Okay, similarly, if the class is abstract, that means you cannot declare any objects within this class. That's the brief meaning of this abstract class. I'll explain those abstract classes, abstract methods from another video, because it's something too complex when we compare in these things. So that means simply if the class is abstract, the object creation is not possible. So if the class is not abstract, happily you can create any object. The other one is final keyword. So it specifies whether child class creation is possible or not. Okay, so if the class is final, then child class creation is not possible. If the class is not final, the child class creation is possible. So all in all, this means by using these appropriate modifiers, we can describe the behavior of the class, right? So whenever we are like creating a class, we have to specify information to our JVM, right? So how you can specify this information about our classes to the JVM is by using these corresponding modifiers. So do you know which modifiers are applicable for the top level classes? Okay, we'll go through them. First, if I talking about the top level classes, so for top level classes, we can declare public, default, abstract, final, strict FP. So this keyword I'm not going to teach you from this video. For now, remember this script FP behavior, we are not worrying about this much. So we'll go through these keywords. So public, default, abstract, final. So these keywords are for the top level classes. So if we take a class inside another class, that means simply it's an inner class. For inner classes, we can declare these modifiers plus private, protected, static modifiers also. Okay, clear? Okay, now we'll go through a little bit further about this public keyword and the default one, and we'll discuss some difference about them. So if I ask you what's the meaning of this public word, so you can definitely get an idea, like in those public transport, public places, likewise public books. So public means anyone can access it, right? So that's the overall idea. So as in same here also, if I just change this class as public, and if I just call from here, I forgot to explain these two classes, right? So this is test1, this is a public class in this package. So this is test2, it's in this package too. So clearly you can identify there are different packages. So from here, from package 2, I'm going to call the test1 method. Okay, test1. So see, so when I type the test1 class, it's import this package, it's import package 1 because the test1 is inside the package 1. Okay, so if you want further more details, further more knowledge about these import statements, please go to my earlier video. It's all about import statements and source file structures. Okay, test1 equals new test1. Okay, so if I just run this one, we'll see. So it compiles without any errors. Okay, that means we have defined it as public. So public means we can get it from anywhere, inside this package or outside this package, anywhere. So now I'm going to explain about default. Default means simply it's not public. See, when I just remove this, it suddenly gets an error, right? Two related problems. It says, I'll compile this. After that you can see the error clearly. That's right. See, package 1, test1 is not public in package 1. Cannot be accessed from outside the package. So I think I don't need to say anything. You can, when you read this, you can get a clear idea. Package 1, test1 is not public in package 1. So it says this test1 is not public in package 1. So you cannot access it from here. Likewise, it says. Okay. So that's how the default works. See, if I access it from the same package, what will happen? Now I'm going to create another class called, what will I put? Test3. Then I'll call to previous class. So now I'll call to previous class. Okay, test1 equals, see, if I just compile it, happily it compiles, no errors at all. I think now you can get a clear idea, and if there are any doubts, please comment it in the comment section below. As I mentioned earlier, if you want to go through some related knowledge about import statements or file source structure, you can go with my previous video. I'll mention it in the below description. I hope you catch at least small knowledge about these statements, about these modifiers. So see you guys. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Bye bye.